I'm Emmanuel Terwase. I'm co-founder and CEO of Boost. Some years ago, I had the opportunity to be in a remote community where I happened to meet Mama Chineye. She's a mother of 5 and lost her husband a few months before this meeting. In my conversations with her, I figured out that she was spending over 500 naira on a daily basis to power her petrol generator set. And when her generator was bad, she was resorting to candles and kerosene lanterns, which was endangering her health. And we were able to solve that problem for Mama Chineye and other people in that particular community market.
Before, what I did is now candle, but now, since why I use this on a light, is so very nice and bring customer for me, and the market is moving because of the lights.
My name is Sonyeka Onyema. I sell foodstuff and provision. Before the solar lights, I use gen. Every day, I spend 1.5 every day. But now, and that time, sometimes when it's raining, we carry our gen inside and we close before 6 or 5. But now I stay till 10 o'clock. The light is really good, it has helped us and it's cheap.
After understanding this community market in Obinze, we have completed phase 1 of our Obinze Mami Market electrification project. A watt solar microgrid that is powering over 45 shops and businesses in this community.
My name is Enes Chaloka. I'm from Imo State, presently. As you can see, presently, I do chemist. I do sell medications. That's what I live on. Formerly, we were using generator, and this was so disturbing and so stressful. Sometimes it might not work. Sometimes it might not pick up. It looks stressful, most especially during rainy season. We do complain totally, but since they're coming up this solar, not because we are here, not because people are here, I will authoritatively tell you that these products have been the best so far. So far, it has been helping. Coming up this economics, because of this country, kind of things we're passing through, it has been helping for a long time now. It has been helping, it has been just making us to move ahead.
Fumanet, Alaji Musa, American Suya, for Kebbi State, Mami Market, Obinze Barat. Hey, the solar, me I enjoy the way. Before I go generate the start, I bet me I no go use the generator again. Me I join me for solar now. Solar dey better pass generator. Generator get wahala. Buy this one. Sometimes you go just generator to stop. Plug. 08. No. I no go up again. Mechanic you go use now on solar very fine.
This is just the beginning. We look forward to powering over 200 more shops in Obinze Mami Market community, as well as launching more solar microgrids in more communities across Nigeria. Boost is about uplifting. It's about increasing. So for us at Boost, it's about increasing access to electricity and improving economic growth in Africa.